You've got to be kidding me.
This is Maggie and Jock. Jock has a deviated septum, and he snores like a motherfucker. Here's a life hack for you. Shut up. Hey, so you know how you said you were gonna be quiet tonight? We're gonna try your best not to snore. Yeah, well, you're fucking snoring. Shut the fuck up! Hey.
You okay?
No, yeah, I'm fine.
It's late.
When you've tried and tried, just put the motherfucker on his side. I'm Gina Kim. This was a life hack for you.
Life hacks with Gina Kim.